So KD Knight is suing Christopher Tufton for defamation of character. Why this is happening? Well, I'm going to tell you, but first, remember to like, share, and comment. I want to hear from you in the comment section. On August the 10th, at the JLP mass rally in Halfway Tree, Jamaica, Christopher Tufton played a voice note of KD Knight. Basically, KD Knight in the voice note was saying that Mark Golding, who is the leader of the opposition party, PMP, is not fit to be the Prime Minister of Jamaica. However, KD Knight came out very shortly after saying, hey, no, that voice note is wrong. It is being played out of order. It is doctored. You need to apologize. Christopher Tufton stood 10 toes down and said he will not apologize because even though he knew the context is a bit wonky, the words were said regardless of the order. So now KD Knight is bringing him before the Supreme Court. He already put the filing in to sue him for defamation. So the question is, what are your thoughts on this? What you think will happen? Do you think it's one of those things that will just blow over? Or what? Share your thoughts in the comment section.